What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the AETISY Smart Trash Can. Well, not really smart, but let's just say touchless, okay? Usually when you say smart, that usually indicates that it's like a smartphone or, something that's dealing with an app, all right? So it's not technically smart, but it is kind of smart. So with that being said, so you do have a sensor right here. It says it does self-bagging. That's what it says here in the Amazon description. All right, so don't bash me if it don't do it. Okay, all right, so it says self-packaging, self-changing, one-click operation, fully enclosed lid. Another thing, it says long battery life. It says it lasts up to 30 to 60 days. So maybe it depends on the usage, how many people uses that bathroom. If it's like your main bathroom where guests and everybody come in, then you probably have 30 days. But if it's a bathroom that's in your master bathroom that you don't really use that much, then it might be 60 days. So maybe it's depending on your usage. That's why they put 30 to 60 days right there. What else we have? Oh yeah, and this is a 4.5 gallons. Oh, my hand was on the sensor. Oh, it closes by itself. Nice. Now, once I find the instructions, we can really get into a deep dive on this thing. All right, so there's a button right here in the front. I hit the button and it opens. I'm gonna hit the button again and it closes. All right, so the front one is a open and close operation. This one here is a power on and off if you want to use this as a sensor. So we're still using it as a sensor. The thing is, it closes by itself. So the sensor is not sensing for me to close it. So it does have its own self-closing, you guys. You don't have to worry about that. Now the thing is, it already has a bag right here. So I'm gonna lift it up manually. It already has a bag inside. So with that being said, you still have to manually. Okay, there we go. Oh, and that's nice because once you put the trash in, it fills it up on the bag. Oh, here we go. This is where all the goodies at. All right, you guys. So they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bundles of trash bags. My recommendations, you guys, maybe you might want to put like a little incense or something in here so your trash can don't stink. People think that trash cans don't stink. All right, so basically this is empty, you guys. So when you fill up your trash can, there goes your 4.5 capacity right there. And that's about it. It's not too much to it, you guys. Oh yeah, it closes by itself. This is nice and simple. I might get like 2 more. I want one in every bathroom, but I might put this in the main hall bathroom. That way when guests come over and stuff like that, it could be like nice and neat. And it says this thing senses your knee, but I'm pretty sure it should sense your knee because it's a sensor. So it should sense most of anything that gets in front of it, right? Yeah, it senses anything that goes in front of it. And the response time with the sensor is pretty daggone good, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm trying to see if I find anything of importance. Main thing about this is a indoor trash can, you guys. So do not use this outdoors, because even on the box it says something about rain. It says fear of rain on the box. So on this box, don't know if you can see it right there, it says fear of rain. So with that being said, do not put this thing outside. What we didn't go over was how to change the bag. We have to hit this button right here. It says take out the refill ring support. So this is a refill ring support right here. So you take this part out. Oh, so that's where all the bags go. So it's like a big bundle of bags, you guys. Man, they give you a lot of bags with this product. A lot of bags. All right, I'm not trying to mess it up, but so here you go. And that's how a bundle of bags get on there. So we basically did it, you guys. So that's how you change out your bags when you run out of your bags. You put your ring back on. Hopefully I put it on the right way. And then you fill it up. Once it gets to its 4.5 capacity or whatever it takes to fill up these bags, because it says it does self closing on it. That's what it says. Automatic bag sealing and changing system. Yeah, that's about it. I actually like this. I'll probably do another quick video just to try to get it out there for y'all. The bottom is the bottom. It's not too much, I guess. It has holes on the bottom, so maybe it's like a vent. I'm assuming. Open, close. Sensor on top, very sensitive. Closes by itself. All right, you guys, so that is it with this touchless trash can. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.